Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to review a new form builder software called GetLeadForm. It is an amazing form builder software that has recently been come into the market, and they are currently running an AppSumo deal where you can get the lifetime deal of this software. So let's see what feature do they have and how you can uh, use this platform for your business. So as you can see, they had a easily build multi-step form that convert. So it's like, type form. It's an alternative to the type form, and they have various features which are multi-step form. You can create multi-step form builder, lead verification, fast load time, and auto address complete. This is their features. And as you can see in their website, they are compatible with all the major all the major website builder softwares such as Unbound, Webly, Lead Pages, and WordPress, right? So let's talk about their pricing plan, what pricing plan they are offering on their website, and then we will also talk about their lifetime deal that is currently running on the AppSumo. If you want to check out their lifetime deal and you want to purchase the software for life, just paying once, then visit the link of the link description of this video, and you will get a lifetime license which is as low as possible. So here you can see they have a three pricing plan. One is starter, pro, and then plus. With the starter plan, you can get up to 250 leads per month, then two domains, starter templates, lead form builder, multi-step form builder, embed forms, on-site messages, social proof, hidden field, personalization, all integration, JPR integration, webhook, A/B testing, raw code feature, email lead notification, SMS lead notification, conditional logic, sub-users analytics, CSV lead export, and these other things like email white labeling, phone verification, AI pop-ups, address autocomplete. All these features you only get in their agency plan. Here you can see when I was just about to exit this page, I got this kind of a message. You can build this type of forms with this software. So let's say what would you like to inform about pricing? Then you will say, it will ask for my name, then I'll put my name. Then it says, nice to meet you, how can I help you? Pricing plan, right? Let's say pricing plan. See, then this will ask me for your my email address and accept info, right? I'm just, once I'll click it, if I cut it, then I cut it, right? So here you can see this is their pricing plan. They have set up design services. Bigger plans are available. Conversion bot add-ons, phone verification. If you are getting clients' phone numbers, then they also have a phone verification, right? So if you can see, this is alternative to type forms, lead formally, and lead verification features. A lot of verification features they have, and their pricing plan. Let's talk about their lifetime deal that is currently running on AppSumo, right? So if you want to get this form for lifetime, just paying by $69 once, then visit the link given in this video. It is an affiliate link, and if you make a purchase using that link, I'll get a small commission which help me to run this YouTube channel and create awesome reviews and content for you, right? So then you can see it's a lifetime. Their tiling get lead forms help you capture more lead into the multi-step forms, quizzes, surveys, and no code required. Right. So let's talk about their pricing plan. What you get in the lifetime deal: all future access to the form, all future pro plan update. So let us see their pro plan. This is all features of this pro plan. You will get all feature of this pro plan. You will not get agency wide labeling with this feature, right? Then you can see you can stack whatever code you want to. You must activate your license within 60 days, or ability to upgrade or downgrade the license, right? So you can start a template, lead form builder, multi-step pop-up, multi-step embedded form, on-site messages, social proof, hidden gem, personalization, all integration with HubSpot, Active Campaign, Lightspedia, ConvertKit, MailChimp, and GPR. Then webhook, A/B testing, raw code, and all that, right? So here you can see they have three pricing plan: tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. With the tier 1, you get just $69. You get 5 domain license, 25 leads per month, email white labeling, and all future flow plans, right? With the $149 plan, you get 20,000 leads per month, 15 domains, unlimited sub accounts, unlimited forms. With this, with the third tier, you get 30 domains, unlimited lead per month, email white labeling, and platform white labeling. Here you can see platform white labeling means the agency white labeling, right? So this is your agency plan. So we just paying by $279 once you get their unlimited account. So you can add 30 subdomain. So if you want to get with this deal, visit the link of this video. Let's jump into the dashboard of this tool. Let's see how it works. What is the interface of the tool so that you can make a decision if you want to purchase this or not. So we are inside the dashboard of this tool. Here you can see create a form. You can create a sub account. Here user account lead frame, install lead forms, leads. Here you can check your leads. Click on install lead form, right? If you click this form, you have to install this on your website. Copy button, right? So this is all triggers and all that if you want to install them on your website. So this is lead. Here you can see your leads. If you are id, lead form, date, name, email address, phone, ip address, and all that, then you have this form builder. So let's create a form. But first we'll see their templates. So here they have templates all around the industry in for the all. If you want to create a form from scratch, here you can see bankruptcy form embedded. So let's see their categories: legal, loan, event capture, basic email form, home reminding, consultant lead form, embedded forms, chat style form, right? Cleaning services, Shopify, e-commerce, legal lead capture, fitness, plumbing, real estate, insurance, agency, land scrapping, mortgage, mobile, pet control, lead quizzes, SaaS, newsletters, and all that. They have a lot of kind of forms. Here you can see they have all kinds of forms you can build for your business, whatever industry you are. So let's just see if you want to create and lead generation form, right? We'll just search for event, lead generation, lead quiz. So quiz is like, let's see, preview this form and we'll see how it works. Then you can customize it according to your need. So here you can see this is a demo. Click here to see the demo. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video this is the responses, paid advertising goals. So if you want to create this, edit this one, click on this, and then you can easily edit if whatever you want to write on that. So it says target URL is not set. Okay, so let's just, okay, goals, website. Okay, so we'll customize the description. Intro, right? You can put everything whatever you want to. Like this is the responses, paid advertising goals. So if you want to create this, edit this one, click on this, and then you can easily edit if whatever you want to write on that style, right? Let us see. If you want this form in chat style, we can like this is like something like, right? Here you can see you can edit your phone photo and all that. And embedded form, this is will be like this form. Then you can change the background color, image, you can put header, you can put subheading and all that, response style, colors, all that. You can design everything according to your need, right? Then you have height of the pop-up and all that. Submit button, you can design the submit button as well. Thank you step, you can design this thank you step also. Progress bar, you can also put a progress bar here upon, right? And then font styling. Then you got the steps, what happened after they submit their forms, right? Questions, you have got these questions. You can edit these forms, and you can put add responses, everything. You have integration with your marketing softwares, HubSpot. You can uh, integrate with your form. Then you have got the setting of the form. General pages, it will not show on dot pages. Then embed form, if you want to embed it on your website, then you can just get this code and embed anywhere on your website. If you want it to be a pop-up, then you can have option like this. You can get it as a pop-up. Trigger, if you want to embed it like someone clicks on some button or something like that, and then it triggers, then you can put this option, right? Then you have other options include if you want to customize it and all that. So this is, and basically it's an amazing software. You can get any kind of form you want to, you can generate, you can create any kind of form for the industry, uh, for the industry leading agencies. Or if you are an agency or you're a solopreneur, you are a blogger, affiliate marketer, this is really amazing software for every businesses on this planet, right? So just go there and grab this lifetime AppSumo deal. And if you grab their higher tier, that is third tier, then you get maximum benefit. You can get maximum benefit out of this tool. But if you are just starting out, then tier one is great option for you. I hope this video helps you and you understand what is get lead forms. And if this video liked by you, then just give a thumbs up to this video. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you want to purchase this product, then make sure to make use of our affiliate link so that we get some commission. I hope this video is okay.